Alright, I'm at the shop. Got these lift supports. I'm here to clean up, put my tools away. Figured I'd replace those lift supports on that hatch. It's interesting because when I took these out of the package, I can't get this to compress. So I'm going to put them on and see if there's some weird trick to it. Let's see what happens. Alright, so the way these things work is it's like a little ball catch here, and there's a clip on the back side. You got to lift this up with a screwdriver, and then that opens, and you can slip that over the ball that's up there. Same system to remove it. I've got a piece of wood here. See, you can't move those either. So that's fascinating to me. Mine were getting weak. Let me show you something. So there's what the ball looks like. And nobody ever shows you that. The other one's up here. And the way they were installed was the piston side down. So I'm going to put this one on first and then take that one off and get that one did. This piece of wood's gonna fall when I do this. It says on the instructions, don't do this by yourself. Have somebody hold the door. Or get a bigger piece of wood. Excuse me. Which I might have to do. Or stack a piece of wood, or let's put this right here. That works. Oh, come on. All right, that's on there. Let's do a quick test here. Wow, just putting that one on. Somebody in the comments, sorry about the sun, it's probably right in your eyes there. Someone in the comments on the reviews for this said these things are super strong compared to the originals. And I believe that because oh, maybe it's just the first time. It's not so bad now, but you can feel it's a lot stronger even with that one on. It's going to replace the second one here. Heard that? Yep, okay, so I just wanted to test that to see if it would come down. And it does. So this is interesting. This is a perfect length because you can get it to come low enough to reach it and then force it up high enough to put the new one on. Trick. I don't like resting it on that glass like that, but it is temporary. This one has to go up higher. God, I don't like that. I'd rather. Okay, this will work. Okay, hang on a second here. This seems a little long for this side, but they're all the same. So something is lean enough. Just force this up. Yeah, if it doesn't work, force it. Little Richard used to say, if it don't fit, grease it. Look it up. Google it. No. Don Lemon would say that. And you Google it and you're like, what the hell is that clown talking about? Just making shit up. Yeah, that's got some force to it there, huh? Nash, nash. Yeah, those are powerful. Wow. I mean, like, it's like a workout now. I could do pull downs, lat pull downs with my door now. A little workout. I'm gonna do a video next time I'm out in the middle of nowhere working out on the roof with all the. I don't bring a whole lot of stuff with me, but I can get an amazing body workout in the middle of nowhere with what I have. All right. Okay. And I know in some of my videos I look like a fat bastard, but it's the wide angle. I did some video at the house the other day working on a deck, and the way where my body's off to the side in the high corner, and I look like a friggin' meatball, man. And I'm like, that's. I mean, I did eat cake all week. I ate cake all week last week, every single day. I told the lady, I was like, you guys stop giving me cake. She's trying to get me fat and inebriated. Have a great day. This is how you put your actuators in. I call them actuators, but they're whatever they call them on the instructions there. Let's give you a quick gander at the instructions. How's that sound? You'll appreciate that. All right, so they call them lift supports. You must have another person to assist you so that the lift gate, hood, trunk, and or lid is held open so you don't wonk your head. Do not attempt to replace the gas spring if you do not have someone to help you or you're not qualified to do so. Hey, it's called a piece of wood, people. Just prop something up in there like you just saw me do. Anyhow, that's that. It was an Amazon thing. I looked up the parts specifically for the Astro van. That's all I did. And I just bought it. I looked at the reviews. I think there's a few of them. Thing with Amazon, look for whatever product that has the most reviews. That's number one. And then read those reviews. And helps you make an educated decision. That's it for now. Have a great day. Bye.